Hello viewer, we will generate the pen to design here. So find the image into it. So there it is, the image we will apply there. Stretch the image over the shape, made it fixed. So there is a clipping mask we have generated. Add up, let's make a paint and then apply the pattern stamp on that selected area. Here is a history brush tool to remove that effect here. We have just find that frame